And we back with another music reaction. This right here is called The Cars. The title of the song is called Drive. This is my first time reacting to this song. Never heard of the group, never heard the song. I'm sure maybe once I hear it, I might say, oh, I heard it in a movie or in the elevator or something like that in the mall. Let's see though. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Let's go, baby. Sounds familiar. One thing, fun fact, a lot of these oldie but goodie songs, the intros are used in today's music. A lot of them. But after the intro, the song goes left. Not all the times, but most of it. Video is super simple. Compared to today's videos,
who's gonna tell you when?
I gotta take these captions off.
It's too late. Who's gonna tell you things aren't so great?
I mean, the beat is super simple. The visuals are super simple. It can't get any better than this. I think back then they saved a lot of money on production, because compared to today's production, all the lights, all the trinkets, all the extra stuff that it just doesn't need to be there, you know? All the hidden messages in plain sight.
You can't go on thinking nothing's wrong. Who's gonna drive you home tonight? Who's gonna pick you up when you fall?
When I tell you the simplicity in this right here, you know what happened? The creativity went straight into the song. Straight into the song. Today, the creativity is more on the visuals. Let me know if you agree or disagree with that right there. But what are they driving? Are they driving each other crazy? I need to understand. Y'all let me know.
Who's gonna hang it up when you call?
Barbie dolls?
Who's gonna pay attention to your dreams? Yeah, who's gonna plug their ears when you scream?
Oh, it look like that.
You can't go on.
I feel like I heard this in a movie or something.
Nothing's wrong. Who's gonna drive you home?
Kind of get the message though. You can't go on thinking that nothing is wrong. Who's gonna take you home? Who's gonna drive you there? You understand? I'm starting to get it right now.
Tonight.
Super simple, y'all. Wonder what changed. Why we need it more?
Who's gonna hold it down?
Hold it down, baby.
Who's gonna come around
Roller coaster.
when you break?
She going through a super emotional roller coaster. She's laughing, she's crying, she's jumping for joy, she's sad. I don't know what's going on right here.
You can't go on thinking nothing's wrong.
And it's all over, folks. Oh, with that being said, The Cars, song name is Drive. Make sure you go in the comments. Let's have this conversation. This was a little bit different for me. This is not your typical genre that I grew up listening to. But, hey, listen, when it comes to music, I'm inclined, baby. I love music. Music makes the heart beat. Music is everything. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, especially if you like music reactions like this. See you on the next one. You have any suggestions? Throw it in the comments, baby. I read all of them.